In this video, I will show you how to control your Philips TV without the remote control, and it doesn't matter the type of Philips TV you have, whether you have the Philips Google TV, the Philips Android TV, or even the old Philips TV just like this one. By the end of this video, you should be able to fully control and navigate through your Philips TV without the remote control. Now, there are basically two methods to go about this, and for the first method, you basically just want to look for the power or menu button at the back of your Philips TV. Now, depending on the model of Philips TV you have, you might actually find this power or menu button at the bottom of your Philips TV, just below where you have the Philips logo, or just at the back of the right hand side or at the back of the left hand side of your Philips TV. This power or menu button gives you the ability to perform certain functions on your Philips TV or Philips Smart TV without the physical remote control. And once you locate it, mine is actually at the back of the right hand side of my TV, and you can literally see it. It is just at the bottom over here. And once you're able to find the button, you just want to go ahead and tap on that button once, and you're going to get this menu at the bottom of your Philips TV. Now, to navigate through this menu, you just want to slide the button horizontally. So just slide it horizontally, and you can literally see that I am now moving horizontally. Keep in mind that for some Philips TV, you may not have to slide to navigate through all of the options over here. For some, you will just have to tap on the button, but for this particular model, you just want to slide or push the button horizontally to navigate through all of the options we have over here. Now, with this button, you can actually do a couple of things. For instance, you can actually increase or decrease the volume of your Philips TV without the remote control. To increase the volume, I'll just slide the button upwards, and you can literally see that the volume of my Philips TV over here is increasing. Now, to reduce the volume, you want to do the same thing. Just slide it downwards, and you can literally see that the volume is decreasing. You can also do other things like changing the input source. So if you come over here, you can actually change the input source. Over here we have HDMI 1. Now I can change the HDMI input source to HDMI 2 by just sliding it upwards, and to HDMI 3, or even to other options I have over here on my Philips Smart TV. Now, I can also go ahead and turn off the TV by simply just selecting the power icon over here, and once I select it, the TV will be turned off. Now, this is basically just one of the ways you can still use your Philips TV or Philips Smart TV without the physical remote control. But obviously, there are actually so many limitations to this, because we can't actually navigate through the apps on the TV and even go to the settings of the TV. And this brings us to the second solution to still be able to control our Philips Smart TV without the remote control. For this second method, you basically want to control your Philips TV using your phone. Now, what you want to do is to first and foremost make sure that both your phone and your Philips TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you do not know how to connect your Philips TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control, the solution to this is quite simple. If you have connected the TV to Wi-Fi before, by turning on the TV, it automatically just connects to your Wi-Fi network if you have connected it to any Wi-Fi network before. So what you just want to do at this point is to make sure that your phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your Philips TV is connected to. Once that is done, you want to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone, and then you want to go ahead and search for the Philips Smart TV app. And once you're done searching, you want to make sure you download this Philips Smart TV app over here into your phone. And once the app is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now, this is basically the official Philips TV app. Just go ahead and give it permission to access the location of your phone, and then you just want to agree to the terms and conditions over here. Click on continue. Now it is scanning for available TVs around. At this point, again, you want to make sure that both your Philips TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and you should be able to find the name of your Philips TV over here. You can literally see mine, whether it's the Philips Android TV or the Philips Google TV, you should be able to find it over here. Now just go ahead and select the name of your Philips TV, and then you're going to see the remote control option over here. Click on it, and now you will have this nice looking remote control that you can now use to navigate through your Philips TV without the physical remote control. And as you can see, it literally works pretty well without any issue. I can go ahead and open up any app directly from here, and trust me, it is going to work. If I want to open Netflix, I'll just go ahead and click on OK, and as you can see, it works pretty well. To go over to the home, I'll click on the home button over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.